Second of our calculus rules, which is going to help us differentiate, is the product rule. So there's the formal definition. If u and v are both functions of x, so u, v dash plus v, u dash again, there's a better way of doing it. Here we go. Write down the first and diff the second, plus write down the second and diff the first. So basically that's what you do. So if you say that as you're doing it, then you just write all the steps. Now, look, I'll admit it's probably quicker to expand this one out, but we can use it as an example. We've got two functions of x multiplied together. So what do? I write down the first. I write down x to the power of 7. Diff the second. Alright, well if I differentiate x to the power of 9 minus 6, I get 9x to the power of 8. Plus, write down the second. So I write the second function down. Diff the first. 7x to the power of 6. And I've got my answer. Tidying all that up, and we get, there it is, 16x to the 15 minus 42x to the 6. Now as I say, something like that is probably going to be quicker just to expand out at the start. Same with this one, but again we'll use it as an example. Write down the first, x minus 2. Diff the second, 2. Plus, write down the second, 2x minus 3. Diff the first, 1. Tidy that one up, we have our answer. Here, it's still differentiate, but it's just written in a different form, d dx of this, so this will equal. Write down the first, f to the second minus x cubed. Diff the second, 6x. Plus, write down the second, 3x squared plus 7. Diff the first, 7x to the 6 minus 3x squared. Expand out, tidy it up. Again, we have our answer. Now, this is where it becomes very useful, because I don't want to expand this whole thing out. We're going to have to combine this one with our previous rule of the chain rule. Write down the first, 3x. Diff the second, but the second is x squared plus 4 to the power of 5. So, bring down the power, 5. Lower the power, 4. Diff the inside, 2x. Plus, write down the second, x squared plus 4 to the power of 5. Diff the first, 3. Now, we can do some factorising here. We have a common factor of 3. We also have a common factor of x squared plus 4 to the power of 4, leaving me with 30x squared plus 3 outside x squared plus 4, and there we go. Eventually we have our derivative. Oh, I didn't take out the factor of 3. God, why didn't I take that out straight away? Now, y equals 2x times the square root of 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1 to the power of a half then. Write down the first, 2x. Diff the second, down the power, half. Lower the power, minus a half. Diff the inside, 2. Push that one out. Plus, write down the second, 2x minus 1 to the half, diff the first, 2. Again, we end up with some common factors. We've got 2. We also have 2x minus 1. Now remember, we've got a negative power and a positive power, but whenever you factorise, it's the lowest power. That minus a half is what we're taking out there. And we're left with x plus 2x minus 1. There's the mere mortal answer. Much nicer. 2 outside of 3x minus 1 over the square root of 2x minus 1. Okay, so that is our product rule.